Next Level Steel's been around for 6 years, but we're already doing about 100 million. So JPS was huge part of that, knowing all about structural steel fabrication equipment and knowing the capacities and capabilities of those equipment were huge. We've bought a lot of equipment from them. I remember years ago, Peter coming into our facility with JPS and Bell Steel, my original company. Found out real quick that Peter knew what he was doing, had all the relationships, knew what a company like mine needed to be successful. And so we instantly joined forces and had a great bond with. From then, it was no matter what the piece of equipment was or the efficiencies we needed or the layouts we needed, I knew JPS was going to be a great resource to help us be the most efficient structural steel company we could be. JPS has not only been integral in new equipment for us and helping us grow, but also selling existing equipment that we have or equipment that we've outgrown. And that's really nice. They're the easy button when it comes to letting us know what the market is willing to pay for used equipment out there, where the markets are, and how realistic we are on being able to sell equipment. 3 words I'd use to describe JPS is, first one is friendship. If you're in this business, you want to be able to do business with friends, and I feel that way. Knowledge. They have a lot of knowledge on what equipment's out there, what can help out, layouts, and very responsive. If there's any time I need help with a service issue or I have a question, they're quick to get back to us.